Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to compare two popular air fryers, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. We will evaluate these products based on various categories to help you make an informed decision. But before we begin, please like this video, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest videos. Now, let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is priced at $119, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodi comes at a higher price of $229. So, if you're on a tight budget, the Chefman TurboFry is a more affordable option. Both air fryers offer exceptional cooking performance. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer provides even crisping using 98% less oil, allowing you to enjoy crispy fried foods guilt-free. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi's unique DualZone technology lets you cook two different foods simultaneously, perfect for multitasking in the kitchen. When it comes to ease of use, both air fryers are user-friendly. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer features one-touch preset cooking functions for popular dishes, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodi offers 6 versatile cooking programs. In terms of cleaning, both models have dishwasher-safe components, making cleanup hassle-free. If you have a large family or like to host gatherings, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi has the advantage with its XL family size capacity and dual baskets. It can cook 2 6-pound chickens at once or up to 8 lbs of chicken wings. The Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer, with its 8-quart capacity, is still great for feeding a family of 4 to 6 people. In terms of additional features, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer offers a built-in LED shake reminder that ensures evenly crisped food. It also has automatic shutoff for safety. On the other hand, the Ninja DZ401 Foodi's Smart Finish feature and IQ Boost technology optimize cooking performance and speed. Both air fryers come with additional accessories and recipes to enhance your cooking experience. And that concludes our comparison of the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer and the Ninja DZ401 Foodi. Both air fryers offer unique features and advantages. Remember, the Chefman TurboFry Touch Air Fryer is more budget-friendly, while the Ninja DZ401 Foodi provides larger capacity and advanced cooking technology. We hope this comparison has helped you in making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more unbiased product reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.